Welcome back, everyone. Hope you've been well. Hope your weekend is going well so far. We have a brand new Social Security update. I know a lot of you have been asking me to discuss Social Security as we have been talking a lot about inflation and the measures that have been taken in regards to gas and the president's latest actions, and of course, Russia, Ukraine. We've been talking about a lot of that, but I want to talk about Social Security in this video today. We do have a quick update for you folks, so we're going to be talking about everything you need to know, including what could put more money in your pocket this tax season. That's right, you could have more money given back to you, put in your pocket, even if you're on Social Security. We'll be discussing it in today's video, so let's get started and dive right in. But before we do, as always, make sure you folks do a couple things for me. Number one, give this video a tremendous thumbs up, smash that like button. If this video gets to 500 likes, we will do a cash giveaway where we give away $100 to a few of you lucky subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you are subscribed, because we'll also be doing another cash giveaway when we hit 20,000 subscribers. And when that occurs, we'll do another cash giveaway where we give away double amount of cash that we gave away at 10K. So make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so that way you're entered for that giveaway and you don't miss a beat, because we post videos here every single solitary week. With that being said, let's get started and dive right in. So first and foremost, we have a super quick update in regards to the fact that Social Security offices have now reopened countrywide, nationwide. A lot of you aren't very tech savvy, and we've heard the horror stories in the comment sections, people waiting on the phone with Social Security for hours upon hours, sometimes never even being able to get through to their local office. Then you try calling the federal number and you can't get through there either. And it was even worse during the pandemic when there was a shortage of staff and the volumes were super heavy. So this is fantastic news. The offices are now reopened. Of course, the offices first closed in March 2020 because of the pandemic. So you could have only communicated with the Social Security Administration via phone or email, but now it is open to foot traffic and no appointments are necessary. You could walk right in, get your questions answered, and apply, get anything you need to be done. So let's address how you could actually get money back from the IRS this tax season, get money put back into your pocket. Well, this tax season this year is especially important. It's probably one of the most important tax seasons that you've seen in your entire lifetime, and that's because of the most recent stimulus bill. Now you're going to say, Logan, well, wait a minute. The last stimulus bill was actually signed now a year ago, so what are you talking about? There's nothing left over. I can't receive a penny. What do you mean? That's not true. That latest stimulus bill is still in effect, and you could still take advantage of it. You can be entitled to rebates and credits that you normally don't qualify for, and yes, this is still true even if you receive Social Security supplemental income, or maybe or you don't make enough to file a tax return, or you simply do not file a tax return at all. So here's the two major paramount credits to look out for, be mindful of if you're on SSI or Social Security. Number one is that CTC, or Child Tax Credit. Under the last stimulus bill, the child tax credit was enhanced and expanded to even more Americans, thus includes more Americans, and you can qualify for this money. The credit was expanded to $3,600 per eligible child under the age of 6 and $3,000 per eligible child ages 6 to 17. Advanced monthly portions comprising half of this credit began going out to families in July 2021 and were paid out through December 2021, with the other half of the credit available now during tax filing time. So if you did not claim this credit last year, don't worry, you can simply claim it now, although it might be called a rebate credit depending on what you claimed last year. Now, you may be fearful that if you claim this credit, that this might interfere and screw up your benefits, and maybe now you'll disqualify yourself for Social Security benefits. That's not the case. According to the SSA themselves, they said in the blog post that you can claim this benefit even if you're on Social Security, and no, it will not affect your benefits. If you receive SSI, any child tax credit you receive, including advance payments received in 2021, will not count as income or resources for 12 months after you receive it when considering income eligibility for SSI. This suggests the SSA wants to see that you needed the money and are not simply holding it in a bank account. So definitely be vigilant, and if it means sitting down with an accountant because you can't do it on your own online, so be it. Talk to an accountant and get this money. The return on investment, money-wise and time-wise, will absolutely be worth it. So that's the first major credit to look out for. Number 2, you're going to look out for that EITC, or the Earned Income Tax Credit. The EITC provides low to moderate income workers and families certain program-specific tax breaks. You can use this credit to reduce the taxes that you owe to the IRS, which could in turn increase your overall tax refund. Like the CTC, the EITC is determined by your income and the number of qualifying dependents. Even though this program is called the Earned Income Tax Credit, yes, you could still receive it and claim it even if you collect SSI or Social Security benefits, as long as you meet the rules for the EITC program. One scenario is that if you have a child with a disability, you can claim the EITC. Super important. Not a lot of people know that. Again, Social Security benefits, supplemental security income, these do not affect one's eligibility for the requirements to qualify for the EITC. Your disability insurance or SSI payments may actually count as earned income, but that will depend on a number of factors, so definitely talk with your CPA. Of course, to even claim this EITC, you must file a tax return for 2021. So if you haven't already, the tax filing deadline is April 18th, but you could file an extension if you so wish. So make sure to get your taxes in on time ASAP, because the days are ticking down. Don't just assume that because you're on these programs that this automatically disqualifies you for these credits and rebates or other programs out there. You'd be surprised at what you may actually qualify for. So be sure to do your due diligence, reach out for help, ask the experts, and do your research. There's so much information and tools at our disposal. So make sure that you do the best you can to see exactly what you'll qualify for, because you're going to want to get the most money back in your pocket this tax season, especially with this rampant inflation. You deserve it and you need it. So I hope this helped you. I hope you got value out of this video. If you did, give it a tremendous thumbs up, smash the like button. I would greatly appreciate that, and get the word out. Share it with a friend or two, share it on social media. Make sure everyone knows about these rebates and credits and this information. If you want to see more content from the channel, of course, make sure you are subscribed. Click that big red button and have notifications turned on. Ring that bell. And if you want to get some free stocks, all me, all free, use the links down below in the description of this video. Sign up with the brokerage platforms, Robinhood and or Webull. You'll get some free stocks, some of them valued up to thousands of dollars in some cases, so let us know what stocks you get. And if you want to connect me on social media, I am on Instagram. I'm also on Facebook. Use the links down below in the description and connect me across all platforms. I hope you folks enjoyed this one. I'll look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care for now.